Hi there, it's been a while since I made a video on this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a creative text effect in Photoshop using a yoga pose design. And this is coming up. So the first thing to do is go to select and then click on subject. Now the image has been highlighted or selected. The next thing I did was I pressed on my keyboard Ctrl+J, then I pressed T on my keyboard and typed my text. So I typed yoga and size it according to your preference. Now duplicate the text by pressing on your keyboard Ctrl+J. Then drag the duplicate one under the selected subject. Now select the first text and create a layer mask. Press B on your keyboard to activate your brush tool and then make sure to set your foreground to black. Now you can zoom in and then paint out the parts you want for the effect to come out. Then finally add the other text to it, and here you go. So this is how to make a text effect in Photoshop. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the notification button. You can get any video we upload. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.